Have you ever wondered how a tiny blueberry travels from a field to your table? Imagine a bright, sunlit farm where dedicated farmers carefully nurture each blueberry bush, ensuring every berry grows at just the right pace. Picture the anticipation as these berries ripen, bursting with flavor, and then being picked at the perfect moment. But there's more to this story than meets the eye. Today, we reveal not only the natural process behind every blueberry's growth, but also the modern technology such as AI-powered sorting and advanced quality checks. That makes it possible for these little fruits to reach markets around the globe. Stay with us as we uncover the incredible journey behind every blueberry. Welcome. In this video, we explore the complete process that takes blueberries from the farm and prepares them for consumers all over the world. It all begins on blueberry farms, where a mix of traditional farming methods and modern technology works in harmony to produce high-quality fruit. Farmers use natural practices to nurture their plants while also employing advanced tools to monitor conditions and optimize growth. Once harvested, the blueberries do not go directly to market. Instead, they enter a series of processing steps designed to preserve their freshness and ensure quality. In addition to careful handpicking, these berries undergo initial processing, high-tech sorting using artificial intelligence, and rigorous final inspections. This integrated approach guarantees that every blueberry meets the high standards required for global distribution. Today, we'll walk you through each of these stages, explaining how technology and traditional farming come together to bring this nutritious fruit to your table. Blueberries begin their journey as tiny seeds planted in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Farmers start by preparing the land with great care, testing the soil to determine its composition, and adding the necessary nutrients to create the perfect growing environment. The blueberry bushes are planted in neat rows to maximize space and light exposure. As they grow, these bushes spread and develop numerous branches, which eventually bloom into delicate white flowers. Over time, these blossoms give way to the small blueberries we all recognize and love. This stage of growth is critical because it lays the foundation for the fruit's flavor and nutritional value. When the blueberries have reached the ideal color and firmness, it is time for harvesting. Farmers and workers carefully monitor each bush to decide when the berries are ripe enough to pick. In some cases, the harvest is done manually, with skilled workers selecting only the ripest berries by hand. In other instances, modern machinery aids the process, ensuring efficiency while maintaining quality. This meticulous approach ensures that every blueberry collected is at the peak of its flavor and nutrition, a vital step in preserving the integrity of the fruit. Once the blueberries are harvested, they begin their journey through processing. Immediately after picking, the berries are cooled rapidly to lock in freshness and prevent spoilage. This initial processing step is crucial because it preserves the natural taste and nutritional benefits of the fruit. After cooling, the berries undergo a basic sorting process. At this stage, any stray leaves, stems, or unripe berries are removed, setting the stage for more advanced quality control measures. In today's high-tech farming landscape, artificial intelligence has become a valuable tool in ensuring the highest quality produce. Blueberries, after their initial processing, pass through sophisticated sorting machines equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors. These systems analyze each berry based on size, color, and overall appearance. The AI-powered systems can detect even subtle imperfections that might not be visible to the naked eye. This advanced sorting technology not only speeds up the process, but also minimizes waste, ensuring that only the best blueberries continue on to the next stage. The integration of AI in sorting represents a major leap forward in modern agriculture, bridging the gap between traditional methods and cutting-edge technology. After advanced sorting, the blueberries move on to a final inspection phase. Here, human quality control teams review the sorted berries to ensure that every piece meets strict quality standards. This final check is essential because it confirms that any berries with even minor defects are removed from the batch. The berries that pass this stage are then thoroughly washed to eliminate any remaining dirt or impurities. This dual approach of technology and human oversight guarantees that the fruit reaching consumers is of the highest quality possible. With quality assured, the blueberries are carefully packed for their journey to markets around the world. They are placed into protective, temperature-controlled containers designed to keep them fresh during transit. Distribution is a finely tuned operation that relies on efficient logistics networks. Refrigerated trucks and cargo planes transport the fruit, ensuring that the blueberries remain in optimal condition from the moment they leave the farm until they arrive at local grocery stores and food processing facilities. This intricate distribution system is key to delivering fresh, delicious blueberries to consumers, no matter where they are located. Blueberries have become a versatile fruit in both households and the food industry. Many people enjoy them fresh, savoring the burst of flavor with every bite. Others incorporate blueberries into smoothies, desserts, and baked goods, while food manufacturers use them to create jams, juices, and even frozen fruit mixes. In addition, blueberries are celebrated for their health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants and other essential nutrients, making them a popular choice among health-conscious consumers. Their adaptability means that whether eaten alone or used as an ingredient, blueberries play an important role in diets around the globe. To put this process into perspective, here are some key statistics about the global blueberry market. The global blueberry industry is valued at over $11 billion annually. The United States, Canada, and Peru are among the top producers, supplying millions of tons of blueberries each year. Blueberries are renowned for their high levels of antioxidants, which contribute to their status as a superfood. Annually, more than 1.5 million tons of blueberries are harvested worldwide, a testament to their growing popularity and global demand. Despite the success and efficiency of modern blueberry production, the industry faces significant challenges. Weather fluctuations, pest infestations, and transportation hurdles can disrupt the supply chain and affect crop quality. However, the industry has developed innovative solutions to overcome these obstacles. Controlled environment farming techniques, precision agriculture, and the use of AI and monitoring crop health are just a few examples of how farmers adapt to these challenges. These innovations help stabilize production, reduce waste, and ensure that even when nature throws a curveball, the quality of the blueberries remains uncompromised. Thank you for joining us on this detailed journey through the world of blueberries. We've seen how every blueberry is grown with care in nutrient-rich soil, harvested at just the right moment, and then processed using both traditional methods and modern technology to maintain its freshness and flavor. From initial cooling to advanced AI sorting and final human inspection, each step is designed to ensure that only the best blueberries make it to market. Next time you enjoy a handful of these delicious fruits, remember the incredible journey behind each berry, from the sunlit fields to the sophisticated processing facilities, and ultimately to your table. This story is not just about food, it's about innovation, care, and the dedication of countless individuals who work together to bring quality produce to consumers everywhere. If you enjoyed learning about the blueberries journey and found these insights fascinating, please share your thoughts in the comments. What part of this process surprised you the most? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple, insightful stories about the food we love. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more amazing journeys with you.